Good morning. From today, rather, it has already started. The apex body of transporters in Assam, the apex body of transporters in Assam, the All Assam Motor Transport Association. This means this is the association, Motor Transport Association, which is in Assam. They have called for an indefinite strike across the state from 6 a.m. Today. That means the all Assam Motor Transport Association has called for a indefinite strike, or you can say चक्का जाम कर दिया. चक्का मैंने अभी अगर हम हिंदी में बोलेंगे तो इसको चक्का बंद कर दिया. From today at it has already started. I am saying from 6 a.m. Public transport has been hampered. Now this the motor association has taken this step just to so that the government of Assam can look into their issues, which is the issues is that they are having the associate, the motor transport association, or the person who was linked with this. With vehicles, passenger vehicles, buses, they are suffering huge losses due to this pandemic, and they want government's attention towards this issue. So they have called for this chakka band. The association also already said that previously they have spoken with Assam government, but not any concrete solution has not come out. Now, all passenger vehicles ranging from all passenger vehicles from auto rickshaws to buses are not running in the state of Assam. Government has requested this association, the Motor Transport Association, to come on 6th, means tomorrow, and have a meeting with government. But association has said their agitation or their protest or their band will chakka band will continue unless and until government gives some concrete solution to it. It's so they are very this time the association is very firm that their problem needs to be addressed by the government. Now, the association was telling, this Motor Transport Association was telling that what they were suggesting to the government is that a waiver of road tax for 1 year. The Motor Transport Association wants government to waive the road tax for 1 year and also withdraw the fine imposed for non-payment of loans taken by owners of passenger vehicles. So the association is saying to the government they have suggested to waive the road tax for 1 year and to withdraw the fines which are imposed for non-payment of loans by the passenger vehicle. So this they have suggested. At the same time, the association is also said that due to this pandemic, the buses are running with a 50% capacity. 50% capacity, maintaining the guidelines of the pandemic. So the Motor Association, the Transport Association, wants to slightly increase in the fare unless and until this situation became normal. Now Transport Association has said that this association also said that Transport Department imposed fine from ranging from 2,000 to 20,000 if any vehicle is found having more than 50% capacity, which is there, which is mentioned in the COVID guidelines. Now, basically, the thing is that buses are running in loss. This is known to all, not only in Assam but various parts of India we have seen. Now, association wants because the buses are running with a capacity of 50%, slightly increase of fare can be happen so that they can maintain their losses. The losses cannot be so huge because the capacity is just 50%, and at the same time waiver for road tax for 1 year, and at the same they want to withdraw the fine imposed for non-payment of loan by the owner of the passenger vehicle. So these are some suggestions they have given. hopefully tomorrow there will be a meeting by the Assam government, and they will come out with some solution. But this time the association motor association is very much you cannot say adamant, but they want a concrete solution from the government, because in the past they have spoken lots of time with this transport department, but always as per the association, the government has always given them an assurance, but no result has come up. We need to see what happened in might be tomorrow. What happened, we need to see. But if you see as a whole, this buses which are running the transport is running in a loss, not only in Assam but various part of India. We have seen, I have seen in West Bengal also the same type of issue is coming when the government, when the transport association in Bengal says that their buses are running in capacity of 50%, price of petrol and diesel has increased, lots of things has increased, but the bus fare is not increased, and the government is not taking attention to it. So these are the common things. These are the things which we find in Bengal also, in various part of India. Now what Transport Association is saying is a valid point, because they are suffering a loss. They are suffering a loss because to maintain the COVID guidelines, they are facing a loss, and government should take a step into it. At the same time, if you see that if government of Assam do come out with some solution, if government of Assam come up with some solution, then that things will impact in other part of the state, because if Assam come up with solution, then Bengal Transport Association will also demand the same thing. Now this kind of Chakka Band has some effect in day-to-day life, because if buses and auto rickshaws are not running on road, then people of Assam, not only people of Assam will have problem for transport, but yes, due to this lockdown and this COVID pandemic, there are people who are less coming out, but yes, there will be a problem. Assam government will come out with buses, no doubt about that, but I don't know how effective, whether they will meet the need of the people who are traveling day-to-day through buses, through they are going to office or something like that. So that needs to be seen. But the point which has been raised by the All Assam Motor Transport Association is valid. Transport associations are facing loss because of their because they have to maintain the COVID guidelines. They are coming up with, they are working with 50% capacity, no increase of fares, because if increase of fares happen, then ultimately the customers will have the problem. And so the government of Assam needs to take a concrete step this time, because they are not going to listen. They will have to come out, where the government of Assam will have to come out with something, so that this problem solved and the loss can be maintained. At least government of Assam can take note of this road tax and fine imposed. That thing needs to be said. They have given some list of suggestions. Hopefully the Assam government will come up with some solution, and this Chakka Jam or Chakka Ban for infinitive strike will be withdrawn, and everything will be settled. Need to see what happens in coming days. Thank you very much.